expertly felling trees with precision and efficiency. Their mastery of cutting techniques ensures safety and accuracy, making tree removal Speedy Lumberjacks showcase incredible chainsaw skills. Swift and controlled. These skilled professionals combine strength, strategy, and experience to navigate challenging environments, proving that timber work is both an art and a science. Experience the raw power and precision of the most advanced chainsaw machine ever built. Engineered for speed and efficiency, this cutting-edge tool tackles massive trees and stubborn stumps with ease. Redefining forestry standards, it conquers the toughest conditions. Delivering unmatched performance in tree cutting and stump removal.